people, and welcome back to the happiest custom store in the fucking world, Power Castle Horror, where everything is power and I am underpowered. That's how it works. And I'm gonna try unlocking this chest. Is it open? No. Oh, it's not. No. Oh, here's a door. Okay. Yay! Thanks. Wonder key too. La, la, la. Okay, this music is starting to piss me off. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh shit! Holy butt fuck. He broke the freaking window again. Second time. Holy crap. Out we go. We go to victory, gentlemen. Victory. Yay! Okay, this is... Oh, yeah! Oh, God. Oh, my God, I recognize all these songs, but I can't name them! Fuck! It's... I'm horrible with references. I'm only good with, like, movies, I think. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. The happy just went to horror in a split of a second. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy God of Mother Humper's God! Fuck! Nappe! Woo! Wow! Waka waka! Wow! Waka! Wow! Wow! Waka 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 wookie 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 wookie! Fuck! Oh, ninja. Okay. No problem though. I'm going to the room of power, where I'll test my abilities in stuff. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh God! The whole door is fucking oh. No. Okay, they're gonna explode later. Okay. The fuck? Okay. Oh shit! Why would you do that? What am I supposed to do with this? Okay. Did I just do that? Wow, okay. That's... There's nothing to fill... Oh, I don't have a lantern? Fuck! Oh, there it is. Perfect freaking timing, I have to say. Perfect. I like this music as well. God. So much music! So much power in power! Power! Sanity potion, oil, stuff. Thanks, and have a nice day. Take this. Slowly move. Fuck you, naked men. Oh, Steve! Oh my God, you're amazing. You touch these bastards. Oh, another Steve! Oh shit, there's too many. I can't handle it. Oh God. Oh my God. No. Too many. I gotta touch them all. Touch. Oh, skulls and shit. Screw this, I'm out of here. I'll see you later, Steves. God, I don't like that. I don't like the plural there. I don't like it. There we go. Just explode and nothing ever before. Just explode. Thanks for this huge amount of fucking oil. It will last me a decade. Or more. God. Oh! Okay, fine. Oh, nothing happened. Why am I doing this? Oh, God damn it. I'm just wasting my freaking time. Oh, yeah. I can ride my bike with no handlebars. No handlebars. No handlebars! No handlebars, motherfuckers! I don't need handlebars. I drive with my feet. Slowly. What? Yeah! Under the bed? No. In here? No tinderbox. I don't want a tinderbox. This place is fucking creepy. More oil? What am I supposed to do with all these oil? Oh God, just fuck all these rooms. Boom. What's in here? Anything here? No. Anything? No, it's locked. It's locked. It's locked. Okay. Anything? Anything at all? No? Okay. That's fine. I will take my leave. See you later. Do I have a key? No. I have 10 oil. Fuck. That's a lot. That's a lot. Take this. Blam, 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 blam. And no, no, and no. Okay. Oh. Locked. That's fine. Oh, probably find out at the end that I didn't need to do this. But I've been wasting my whole day doing it. That's not gonna be fun. Oh my god, look at all this crap. I'm not even happy seeing oil anymore. It's so tedious now, picking it up. I don't like it. Locked! Fuck. Oh, I can break the doors within the doors. So it's like doorception. Oh god, this is slow. I broke the door within the door. Your argument is invalid. Invalid. No, nothing. Nothing in here. Nothing at all. Are you serious? I just went here for no reason. You know what? No. It doesn't work like this. It's oh shit. Gotta be something, man. Something somewhere. No? Well, I will slowly walk my own path. So slow. I will go here. Hey, babe. What's up? Have any more bread for me? No? Okay. Where's this fucking key? Bitch! Give it! Whoa! Whoa, what the fuck? Yeah. That's how you do it. But there's no key. What am I supposed to do? What do you want me to do? Why are you holding my sledgehammer? It's mine! Mine! Fuck you! You want? Okay, fine. I'll let you have it. Here, take it. No. Don't put it on the ground! God! Don't you have any manners? The fuck? Take it! Here we go. Now, strike me with your power! Ow! It's... Oh god, it's slowly going to kill me. It's going through my face. No problem. Okay, I fucked up. I destroyed everything. But, okay, that's it. That's it. No, nothing here. No. 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 No! No! God damn it, Steve, you pissed me off. Steve's fault. It's always his fault. Always been. No, I'm kidding. Steve would never do this to me. He's a nice fella. No, nothing here. I can't open these. There's nothing else. Fuck! You have to be like Einstein to figure this shit out. Fuck! Die! Okay. Think. What can I do? I can't do anything. What I can do is play with the lady that is over there naked. I can do that, but that is just plain out creepy. I'll do one more thing. One more. One thing! I'm gonna try this. Oh god, I'm so excited! It's not gonna work! Is it? No. But slowly. No! Locked! But, what am I looking for? What am I looking for here? What? No. No! Screw this, I'm out. Have a nice day. You probably know how to do this because you've already played it. God damn it. I'll see you later.
Another door. Crates! Oh. No, the door closed!
Ah! No!
You
No!
okay?
Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
I'm gonna no equipment.